Hi and welcome to What to Expect when you're selecting. Today we're actually going to be talking about home automation, so something a little bit different and something you may not automatically think of choosing for your new home, but something you definitely want to consider. Today we're here with Peter from Secure Solutions. He is our resident home king of everything home tech. So if you want to know anything about home technology, he's the one that we generally go and speak to and have a chat with. So today he's going to talk to us about home automation and probably why you should consider it when you're in the building process and thinking about putting it in your home. So first of all, for anyone who has no idea what home automation is about, if you can just give us a brief sort of idea of what is home automation.
Home automation really makes everyday things easier. So whether it's from opening doors to turning on lights, blinds, alarm system, the things you're doing every single day, irrigation, it can either happen in the background automatically or by the press of one button does a sequence of events that is a boring daily thing we do every day. That's what home automation, it's really a lifestyle thing.
Yeah. Yep.
All right, Pete, so sell it to me. Like if I'm sitting on the fence and I'm a bit unsure about home automation or what to exactly put in my house that is along that aspect, what should I do?
If you're sitting on the fence and you don't have a real desire or want, or it's not something you've wanted for ages, I bring it back to when you've got things like a security system. A lot of people put in a security system and it's a very wise thing to do, but they don't always arm it and disarm it, because coming home, if you've got an auto gate, you've got to press a button to open the auto gate. You drive down your driveway, you press another button to open your garage. You've then got to find your remote, you turn off the alarm, or you've got to walk in your house and put in your PIN code. Then you go and you find the light switch and you turn on a light switch. So home automation, you'll come down your street, you'll press one button, it'll open the gate, it'll open the roller door, it'll turn on the lights that particular person on that particular remote will turn on for them. So the lights that the lady of the house wants on might be different from the husband. For example, when Cherie comes home, it'll turn on the garage, but only for 5 minutes because the kids unload everything out of the car. But the garage fluoros only stay on for 5 minutes and then they automatically turn off. If it's after 5:30 and now that it's winter, we've changed it to 5, the outdoor lights welcome you home. So if you've got driveway lights, they turn on, the down lights around your home turn on, but only for 5 minutes. It's great.
Yeah.
So it sounds like it's great for everyone. And it's that's probably a good spot to start, is like that entry level system that you can press one button and I suppose you get what you want to turn on when you come home from work or something like that.
It's so scalable, Carl. Like you can have it from just pressing the one button to do your roller door and your alarm.
Yeah.
And then you want to add the lighting control. But you can't afford to do the whole house. You just do the garage and the entry and the kitchen.
Yep.
And even often a home automation system is usually a bigger alarm system. So you might have just your garden lights that come off the alfresco to come on at a certain time, and it just adds ambience to the home. It's great. You can go on from there and add Google Home or Siri that you can start talking to your house and things automatic, things come on with your voice, and that's a nice to have as well, and things you can add down the track.
Yeah.
It's definitely something worth considering when you do build though, because is it an easier process to start when the project is being constructed? Or is it something that's easy to add when the house is already constructed? Does that make sense?
Definitely. So you definitely want to at least put a bit of the backbone in when you're building, even if you can only put in a few wires. Everything that's hardwired is always going to be better than wireless, because you're not then relying on that one little modem to do all the work. So even to the point of saying, well, let's put in a commercial grade Wi-Fi or a better grade Wi-Fi through the house. So if you want lighting control, there's nothing better than hardwired. But if you can't afford to do it all in the beginning, at least get a few wires in the walls.
Yeah.
And know maybe, what do you want for the next 5 years, 10 years? Is this something you can achieve financially to do? Then, yeah, definitely get as many wires in as you can.